What's good, guys? We are back. Found this Tcg Lightning Set from Walgreens. This set has 4 booster sets and then you get 1 bonus card, and you can kind of see that it's not a special bonus card, but I seem to have pretty good luck with just the packs out of these type of things. So roly-coly to start. Not the best. Get that out of here. Put you to the side, roly-coly, and let's see what packs we got. We got a Vivid Voltage, a Chillin' Rain, and 2 Darkness Ablaze. Let's get right into the Darkness Ablaze. Let's see. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we got. Okay. A Datrix, Clang, Wishy Washy, Pansage, Tauros, Diglett. Ooh, look at him. He is full. Wolvette. Got the Glimwood Tangle. The Glimwood Tangle, and that's the reverse hollow. And, ooh, let's go. A Stunfisk V card pull. That is a nice hit to start. Let's go. Let's get a little. Okay. Pop that in there. And pop that in there. Okay, let's go. Let's see Darkness Ablaze. Let's see if we could get 2 for 2. Feeling like a good pack. I mean, it's always good to start off that well. Green code card, but you never know. Still have faith. Let's see what we can get. Okay, that Smoke. Who want the Smoke? Semi-Sage, Clang, Skitty, Dino, Jigglypuff, Dunsparce, Clink. Got Clang, got Clink. Got that Aron reverse hollow and a Hydreigon non-hollow rare. Okay, let's go Vivid Voltage. Maybe the Chunkachu. Maybe the Chunkachu. Not with a green code card. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. You never know. Maybe be Era Pack. Wishful Thinking. Stadium. Loud Red. Kakuna. Trubbish. Tynamo. Klabus. Woobat. Talau. Sableye. Was that the reverse hollow? It was. An Executor. Non-hollow rare. Executor. Okay. Let's see. Chillin' Range. Can you save this Lightning Set? What do you guys think about this set? Oh, another green code card. Let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. This was about $17. Was it worth it? You guys let me know. Scroll of the Skies, Reboot, Weedle, Farfetch'd, Castform, Larvesta, Sobble. You got that Rockruff, reverse hollow, and oh, a Glade. Glade non-hollow, reverse, and it's looking like the Stunfisk is the best hit. What's up, guys? Picked up a Dark Sylveon Celebrations collection box, and in this box you get 1 foil promo card featuring Dark Sylveon, 1 oversized card Dark Sylveon, 4 TCG Celebrations, 2 additional TCG packs, 1 information sheet, a code card for the online game. Let's get right into this. I'm not positive, but I think I've pulled a Sylveon before. I don't think I've pulled a Dark Sylveon, so this is cool. And let's see if I have any room. And yes, I do, in this beautiful oversized card book. So we will add something. I think I already filled 1 full one up. That card is nice. And guys, I think I'm gonna leave it in there for now, just for the video purpose, so it don't take up too much time. And that oversized card is lit. Let's get it. Yes, that's nice, nice, nice. Let's get it in there. Okay, got a little card sheet. See that, guys? A little information on the dark Pokemon. You can read that later. Take time to yourself. And let's see about the packs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 2 of these. We are still looking for the Charizard. Maybe there was one in there. But let's go with the battle styles first. First pack Magic. Let's see what we got. Ooh, white code card. Here we go, Dark Sylveon. 1, 2, 3 to the back, and let's go. Okay, Dual Blade, Crawdaunt, Sword and Shield, Baltoy, Electabuzz, Hondage, T-Pig, Murkrow. Ooh, got that nice level ball reverse hollow, and to start it off, let's go. Urshifu VMAX. Let's go. That is a nice hit. Let's go ahead and get that. And we will definitely get. Oh, that is a nice hit. Let's go. Dark Sylveon pack. Let's go. Okay, let's see if we keep it going. Darkness Ablaze. Let's see. Darkness Ablaze. Oh, white code card. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay. Larviva. Deneen. Sentret. Rowlet. Scovet. Spinarak. Larvesta. Oh, Galarian. Darmanitan. Reverse hollow, and let's go. This is a Mew, and look at this. You get these in a 10. This is so funny. I literally have one of these sitting right here, but it's cool to pull this also. This comes from a 10 that I just kept it in the holder, but look at that. Another Mew that we pulled, just regular, and I can't lie, that's 2. Got a VMAX hit and then a V hit, and this is even before the celebrations. So let's go, guys. Let's see what kind of magic we can get on the celebration packs. We have still yet to get the Charizard, but let's go. Dilaga, Reshiram. Oh, let's go! What a hit already! Look at that nice Venusaur. Let's go. And a Surfing Pikachu Max. Yes. Oh, another Venusaur. Oh, look at that. This is a crusty sleeve. Gonna give Venusaur a better sleeve. Respect. Oh, another hit. This is a great hit. Let's go. This Dark Sylveon box, it just keeps giving on giving. Okay, if we can get into this pack. Okay. There we go. Okay. Vital, Kyogre, Ho-Oh, and a Professor's Research. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. Last 2 packs. Let's see. This has the Dark Sylveon box, man. It's been amazing. I cannot lie. Cannot tell a lie. Let's see what we have. The Groudon, Cosmog, Vital, and Lunala. And last but not least, Charizard. Are you in here? We've found Venusaur. Charizard, are you in here? Or Blastoise, are you in here? Last but not least, Dark Sylveon box. Guys, let me know what you think. I think this is a great box. I believe it was $20 too, so I think there's a pretty good value. Let's see. Groudon, Xerneas, Ho-Oh, and Lunala. And that's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.